we're gonna watch movie night. We're gonna be on TV tonight.
Yay!
I thought you were gonna make another face. What face are you gonna make?
Yay!
You gonna make another face?
Oh
No face? You're gonna be on TV tonight. You get the hickeys?
Yeah.
You get hiccups? You have to stand on your head and drink water upside down.
No, I can't do that.
You have to try. Now! Do it now!
No!
Do it now!
No!
Oh, what do you say? Oh, what do you say? What do you say? Huh?
Excuse me.
Excuse you. It's not excuse you. It's not excuse me. Oh! Thank you.